Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and we're going to do a little windshield repair on the Volvo today. The Volvo picked up a good size rock chip, and I noticed there was a couple other rock chips on there too that need to be repaired. So I got this little windshield repair kit from the auto parts store, and this is, I've done professional windshield repair before, and this is I would say this is the plastic version of the professional kit. The professional kit has better suction cup assemblies on it. It has a metal plunger and all that stuff. But this is going to work out just fine for the 4 or 5 rock chips that I need to fix. Now, to repair them, what you first need to do is clean everything off with alcohol, clean around the chip. This kit did provide a safety pin or a push pin to clean out the chunks inside the rock chip. Personally, I like to use a Dremel with a very fine bit on it and drill down into the windshield. Now, windshields are 2 pieces of glass with a piece of plastic sandwiched in between them. When you're repairing the windshield, you're only repairing one piece of that glass. So what we're going to do is we drill down into the windshield, and when we drill down, we make sure not to hit the plastic. We just drill down far enough to open up a access path for the glass resin to get into. Once you're done doing that, you take this and you put the plunger right over the little hole that you opened up to inject into the windshield. Once you get this secured, you will twist this. This is threaded, and it'll twist down, and you want it to the part to mate up perfectly up against the glass and create a good seal. After you do that, you're going to put about 4 drops of this glass resin in, and you drop them right into the bridge right here, or right into the plunger assembly here, and you put the plunger in. When you put the plunger in, you're creating pressure because this threads in. So you're creating pressure in here, pushing into the windshield. Now, usually when you twist it down the first time, it's going to fill up most of the rock chip. But what you want to do is you put the pressure down on it. Wow, my camera is just going nuts on focus right now. But what you want to do is put some pressure down in it. The resin will go down into the rock chip, but you want to twist this down as far as you can, and then back it off and twist in and out, maybe 4 or 5 turns, twist in and out a few times. That way, not only are you creating a pressure in there, but when you twist back on it, you're going to create a suction. That way, that suction inside the rock chip itself will pull a good amount of the air out, up the bridge, past the glass resin. So if you go in and out a couple of times like that, the rock chip will actually suck the glass resin right into the windshield. So I have prepared a short video of me repairing the glass that I'll put up after this. But it's pretty much that simple. After you get the resin filled, you put a little bit more resin on top of the chip hole, and you put this plastic piece over it. That way the resin is nice and smooth when it sets. And then once it sets, you can go across the glass really quick and just scrape off the excess resin and make it nice and flush with the windshield. Now here's a video of me doing the repair on the Volvo. So we got some of the rock chips cleaned up right here. You can see this one sealed up perfectly. I have to go over it a little bit more with the glass resin just to make it smooth on the top. This guy over here did not do quite as well. Let me see if I can get a focus on that. There we go. Didn't do quite as well. You can see the black in there. That's still open space. So I'm going to come back at that when it's a little warmer and I can work it a little bit better. I might have to drill another hole and go in. And then, I don't even know if you can see these guys right here. This was a big chip. The chip started here and it had a leg that ran out. So I drilled out the end of the leg and injected it until the resin came out of the other side. But I think I did pretty good. I got 3 or 4 of the chips done. Not too bad for a home kit. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, build stuff and have fun.